leftover shrimp prawns, Italian sausage, and chicken. How much ghee we use? The ghee, guys. Ghee. Get a bit. Nah, big. Oh, see that, guys. Okay. Put, babe. I see now first okra, later again your what's that it is? Samuka, ay. You know
You got it right to him. Tell him you got to put that.
Need to transfer, guys, to the other part. No, that one.
They're going to fry all these ingredients and mix it with flour.
Where's the, this one first. Later,
Put the garlic in the one.
Stop. Something. Daun yan.
I got to figure out what's going to put that right.
flour is there. Chicken. No chicken. I'll take it over. Mix. And pork dip. Sausage is there. No, the sausage is there. I got that.
That's what you thought? No, girl. That's just getting me to the store. That shit is hard. It's hard. Stir, baby. Stir, motherfucker. Come on. Come on. I need some tape seasoning. While you stir. I need some tissue. There. I need some bit. There you go. Boy. Oh, there you go. Now stir. Stir. You open it. You did it. This garlic, herb.
So free, guys. Are so free.
Maybe that's fun. Nice work. You can't do it now. Oh, Jim. Expert. Yeah. Oh, shit. Okay.
Ask Oh, the chicken. You put because that one is not cooked. The chicken. Some chicken and Wait, girl. The roll. Dump it. Yes. This one makes it cook. Okay, oil first. Okay, cook first for how long? 45 minutes. Your crab meat. Okay, nice gumbo, guys. Nice gumbo. Okay. Got it? It's very expensive gumbo, guys. You cannot sell this. Yummy, yummy. loose. Uy.
Should be able to take it. Hey. Everything is clean here, so we're gonna have to equally divide the voiceover later. Anyway, what I'm doing now is I gotta equally divide all these ingredients because we're gonna freeze it. Now, one thing about gumbo is you can freeze it and it'll stay long, right? It's a lasting dish. So I want to take 4 of these, at least 4 scallops, right? Now, if I was selling it to a restaurant or doing anything else such as that, I would just use 4. But this is me and my wife. So, ready? We got 6 scallops. Then we're gonna take, some shrimps. It depends on how many shrimps you like. A lot of people love shrimps. It's in there.
That's all
4 of those. All right. Then we're gonna take. What is it?
Abalone.
We're gonna take.
Why not?
We're gonna take 1 abalone. I better make it 2.
2 because I forget to get 2.
Yeah, better make it 2 abalone. Now we're gonna take about
6 of that.
6 of these. Throw them in there.
River prawn.
River prawns. I do 4 because we ain't got no room. Then we're gonna take some of these crab.
Tiger crab.
All right, we got 1 tiger crab
and 1 mud crab.
and 1 mud crab, right? We throwing them in there.
Where's the other things?
We throwing them in there like that. All right.
No, you get that.
All right, okay. So we're gonna throw in the mud crab.
Okay.
All right, now that's it.
Okay, put that in the plastic.
Now, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put this in the plastic.
Okay.
All right. Along with some of
Spread
these.
the spring onion a little bit.
Spring onion.
Okay.
There it is. Now.
Okay. Put
there
in
it
the
is.
plastic.
All right.
Okay. Okay. Just get 4. This for later, guys. Dinner. Okay. Yum yum.